are heading to where we're going. London. So we're going to see Mumford and Sons today at Victoria Park, which is going to be so much fun. But we're heading up there quite early, just so we can have a wander around London, do the things that we've already done about 100 times before. So yeah, so I've done my makeup. I'm going to zoom it in. So I've gone for a really funky eye. Oh, that lighting though. Nude lip, funky eye. I'm really scared that people are going to see me vlogging. This is the first time vlogging in public, which is a bit nerve-wracking, but I'm going to give it a good shot, especially in London. If I can do it in London, I can do it anywhere, because there's so many people in London. So yeah, I'll take you along for the journey while we head up to London. We're on the train at the minute, probably another 30 minutes away, and I hope you can actually hear me.
Beautiful faces. Thank you.
We're nearly there. I think we've got one more stop. I don't actually know what I'm doing. I don't know how to vlog.
Faces that get you there. The camera can't focus.
Focusing on the shoulder.
Oh, there you go. Look at him. Oh, magnificent.
Hey guys! I don't like having my hair. Oh! This is very close to my face. My mother and father are not off the train.
I've got to wait till you lose your camera.
I'm not going to lose my camera. Have you seen how big this thing is?
Sorry? No, it sometimes nicks out your hair.
They won't. Oh, we're going to the Lego shop. We gotta walk.
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 Remember,
It's a very nice day.
you've got to carry whatever you buy.
Yeah, so we're buying big
Callum's got to
like
carry.
Lego.
Oh, let's get some. I don't know. What do I want to get? Oh, there's Toy Story 4 stuff at the Lego store.
You know, you've been there.
No, I saw it online.
You dream.
I dreamt it. It's such a nice day, but oh my word, I'm melting. And my arm hurts. I need a tripod. Can we get a tripod from somewhere? Look, say hello. You've never been in one of my videos. This is my mother. Look how short she is. Cross here, Callum. This is going to be a very weird vlog.
Well, you enjoy your day, so
I am enjoying it. Oh, bus!
And cross.
Oh, bus!
Right, top right.
Right!
Top right.
Right!
left.
It's like the blind leading the blind. So we are now off to Kate Spade, Hamleys, Liberty, home. It is 28 degrees up here.
What are you saying, Jess?
So we are heading to the festival now, about 10 minutes away. Are you excited? It's bloody hot, that's all I can say. I'm very excited. Hopefully they play our song, which is The Cave. I'm not too sure how much I'm going to be able to film because obviously copyright, don't want that. But I'll show you as much as I can. And this is the rest of my family. We're all heading off, all melting, but excited. Are you enjoying it?
Yes.
I wake up, every day is a daydream. Everything in my life ain't what it seems. I wake up, just like my back to sleep. I got real shadow, but I'm empty. I'm not the kid, every baseline is